Look around you. This incredible planet, Earth, is our home. We stand on its surface, breathe its air, and gaze at its vast oceans. But how much do we really know about this magnificent sphere hurtling through space? Prepare to have your mind absolutely blown, because today we're uncovering 20 insane facts about our world that are so astonishing, so bizarre, and so mind-bending, you'll question everything you thought you knew. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, from ancient secrets to everyday marvels, let's embark on an epic journey to explore the unbelievable truths of our own planet. Welcome, fellow Earthlings, to Faxi, and for the next 20 minutes, we're diving deep into the weird, wonderful, and utterly fascinating realities of the only home we've ever known. Get ready to be amazed. Let's kick things off with some foundational mind benders about Earth's very nature. Fact 1. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Despite what you might see in photos, our planet isn't a perfectly round ball. Its rotation causes it to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles. Plus, the distribution of its mass creates slight variations in gravity, making its true geoid shape quite lumpy, if you could see gravity. Fact 2. Days are getting longer. When Earth first formed 4.54 billion years ago, a day was only about 6 hours long. The Moon's gravitational pull, through tidal friction, is gradually slowing down Earth's rotation. We're talking 0.0017 seconds longer every 100 years. So, enjoy those extra microseconds. Fact 3. Continents are constantly on the move. You know about plate tectonics, but do you truly grasp the scale? About 250 million years ago, all land masses were one supercontinent called Pangaea. They're still drifting at roughly the same speed your fingernails grow. This movement causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain formation. Fact 4. Earth has other moons, kind of. Besides our big, beautiful moon, Earth has at least 2 quasi-satellites, or mini-moons. Asteroid 3753 Krutny follows a horseshoe-shaped orbit, making it seem like it's orbiting Earth. And asteroid 2000 to AA29 does something similar, getting close every 95 years. They aren't true moons, but they're fascinating celestial dance partners. Fact 5. The Earth's magnetic poles are flipping. Every 200,000 to 300,000 years, on average, Earth's magnetic field reverses, with north becoming south and vice versa. The last full reversal was about 780,000 years ago, meaning we're overdue. The magnetic North Pole is currently moving rapidly towards Siberia, causing headaches for navigation systems. Now, let's explore some incredible features of our planet's surface and depths. Fact 6. The longest mountain range is underwater. Forget the Himalayas or the Andes. The mid-ocean ridge system, stretching for over 65,000 kilometers, 40,000 miles beneath the world's oceans, is by far the longest mountain range on Earth. Fact 7. Less than 5% of the ocean has been explored. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the deepest parts of our own oceans. This means there are potentially millions of undiscovered species lurking in the abyss. Fact 8. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If you put Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, its summit would still be over a mile underwater. The pressure down there is immense, over 1,000 times atmospheric pressure at sea level. Fact 9. Earth has underwater lakes and rivers. These aren't regular lakes, but brine pools, areas where super salty water, denser than the surrounding seawater, collects in depressions on the ocean floor, forming distinct bodies of water. They're often toxic to most marine life, but host unique extremophiles. Fact 10. The driest place on Earth is next to the ocean. The Atacama Desert in Chile is so dry. Some areas haven't seen significant rainfall for centuries. Yet, it sits right next to the vast Pacific Ocean. The Andes Mountains create a rain shadow, blocking moisture. Fact 11. There's an Earth's core within a core. Recent seismic studies suggest that Earth's inner core might have its own innermost inner core, a solid ball of iron with a slightly different crystal structure, hinting at even more complexity within our planet. Fact 12. Earth has a great Pacific garbage patch. While not a solid island, this massive area of marine debris in the North Pacific Ocean is a stark reminder of human impact, an area twice the size of Texas filled with swirling plastic fragments. Fact 13. Coral reefs are the largest living structures on Earth. The Great Barrier Reef, off the coast of Australia, is so immense it can be seen from space, formed by tiny polyps over millennia. It's a critical ecosystem often called the rainforests of the sea. Fact 14. The racetrack playa has moving rocks. In Death Valley, California, massive rocks mysteriously slide across a dry lake bed, leaving long trails. Scientists now believe it's due to ice sheets forming on the playa surface on cold nights, then breaking up and being pushed by winds when the ice melts slightly. Fact 15. Earth is constantly bombarded by cosmic dust. Every day, about 60 tons of cosmic dust microscopic particles from asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies falls to Earth. Most of it burns up in the atmosphere, creating those shooting stars. Let's transition to some astonishing facts about Earth's atmosphere and the climate it creates. Fact 16. Lightning strikes Earth about 6,000 times per minute. That's roughly 100 times every second. Lightning heats the air to an incredible 30,000 degrees Celsius, 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Fact 17. The ozone layer is getting better. Thanks to global efforts to ban ozone-depleting chemicals like CFCs, the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV radiation, is slowly but surely recovering. A true success story of international cooperation. Fact 18. Earth's atmosphere protects us from space junk. Our atmosphere acts as a protective shield, incinerating countless meteoroids, small space debris, and even satellites upon re-entry, preventing them from impacting the surface. Fact 19. Clouds can weigh millions of pounds. A typical cumulus cloud, those fluffy white ones, can contain about 550 tons of water. That's roughly the weight of 100 elephants floating above your head. Fact 20. The windiest place on Earth is Antarctica. Commonwealth Bay in Antarctica experiences katabatic winds that regularly exceed 240 kilometers per hour, 150 miles per hour, strong enough to rip buildings apart. The Earth's atmosphere is constantly mixing. Over time, air molecules disperse globally, meaning that, statistically, every breath you inhale likely contains atoms that were once part of Julius Caesar, Cleopatra, or even a dinosaur. And there you have it, 20 absolutely mind-bending facts about our incredible home, Earth. From the unseen forces shaping our planet to the hidden wonders of its ecosystems and the surprising quirks of human history, our world is a constant source of awe and discovery. Which fact blew your mind the most? Did you know any of these? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the astonishing realities of our planet, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faxi for more fascinating content and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for joining me on this incredible exploration. And until next time, keep looking down at the amazing ground beneath your feet and remember just how wild our world truly is.